Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix service host SysMain high disk usage in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing high disk usage on your Windows 11 system, there is a straightforward solution to address it. This method is not complex and can significantly improve your system performance. First, you need to access the Services application on your computer. You can do this by opening the Windows search bar and typing Services. Once the Services window appears, scroll down the list until you find the entry labeled SysMain Service. Perform a right-click on this service, and then select the Stop option from the context menu. Please note that it may take a moment for the service to completely stop. By performing this action, you will temporarily alleviate the high disk usage, allowing you to use your system more smoothly. You can restart your computer at a later time when you have more time available, and this fix should hold for the current session. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.